guys, Miss Brooklyn here. Welcome back to my channel, Miss Brooklyn's Journey. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well by the time this video is up. I wanted to come talk to you guys because I had an amazing week. For the past 2 weeks, I have been really satisfied and really happy and proud of myself for how I have been motivated again and inspired again to take my health seriously and just jump back on track. So I wanted to make sure I captured as much footage this week as possible. I haven't done one of these personal diary style weekly updates in such a very long time. So I found myself getting back into doing these styles of videos. I just wanted to just share some of the inspiration I have found for myself with you all. But before I get into all of that, I just want to say, first and foremost, I do have a fan in the background and I do apologize. Secondly, I have a new camera and new setup, and I don't quite yet know how to use my new setup, so that's why I'm so close in. The lens I have is a wide lens, and it's actually made for beauty videos, really, you know, but bear with me as I figure it out. I do have other lens, and I will be switching periodically to see which lens best fit these style of videos with my new upgraded equipment, because I did get new equipment. So I do apologize. However, you can see how beat to the gods she is. Oh yeah, if y'all feeling this beat, make sure you follow my beauty channel, because you already know I'm gonna have a video on this beats, okay? But for those of you that are new to this channel on the account of this video and you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and join the Brooklynites. You know, that's our family. That's what we call them here on this channel. So hit the subscribe button. And also turn your notifications on so you got the source and you know every time we upload a video. Let's jump into my amazing week. So like I mentioned in the intro of this video, it's been a very long time since I've done these style videos, and because of my health issues, which I talked about in previous videos, I'm not going to go into depth in that. This video would be way too long. I'm gonna link those videos in the iCard above. With last week going so well, this week I wanted to make sure I actually filmed, and just like, you know, maybe it can help some people as well. And that's exactly what I did. Now, I didn't film every single detail of my week, but I do show you guys examples of how I ate. And also I had a clip of me, I'm just coming from the gym, being, you know, highly motivated, and I just turned the camera on and started talking to you guys like you guys were my diary. It's been so long since I've done that. Starting my week off, every single day I will wake up and have some raspberry leaf tea. Now, this was a recommendation from you all, and again, I have to thank you guys so much for telling me to drink raspberry leaf tea and also to drink black seed oil, which I do. And I would start my mornings off every single morning drinking that, and then I would do a meal replacement. If I didn't do a meal replacement in the afternoon, I would do it in the morning, but most days 100% it was a meal replacement pre-workout, and some days I would do it post-workout. And my meal replacement, you know, you guys already know that my #1 meal replacement right now is 310 Nutrition. Okay, you guys know I did a full video raving about 310 Nutrition, and I've been obsessing over my salted caramel pumpkin spice milkshake that I've been making every morning, like obsessing over it. You guys know how much I love 310 Nutrition, and how much it has helped me in my journey with keeping myself full and staying on track. And it is sugar-free, dairy-free, soy-free, egg-free, nut-free, gluten-free. It is a pea protein, and I really love the taste. I think when it comes to taste, 310 Nutrition has it down pat. They have several flavors such as strawberry, chocolate. They have mocha, vanilla chai. They also have flavors like salted caramel, which is my favorite, and vanilla. So when it comes to 310 Nutrition, as far as flavor, I don't think I found any company that beats them as far as flavor. Not so much texture, because like I said, you know, I gotta be 100, I gotta be honest, it is really thick, so I find that you have to blend it a lot more. So what I'm holding right now is the 310 Nutrition starter pack, and in the starter pack you get their detox tea, which by far, in my opinion, when it comes to taste, again, 310 Nutrition has nailed the taste. This is like the best detox tea. You literally do not have to add anything. It is naturally sweet. Now, you guys can see these are closed because I'm not currently detoxing. I detoxed already, but in the starter kit you get the 310 Nutrition sample teas two flavors. You get the peach flavor, which is my all-time favorite, and then you get the natural flavor. This is really, really sweet, and so is this. It's a natural sweetness. Do not add anything. Drink it raw. This is going to detox you, flush the system, take out impurities, and just help you overall achieve a less bloat look, as well as your body and kicking into your workout. Now, with the starter kit, you get several flavors of shakes. You get one packet of each flavor of shake they offer. And you also get their Greens for Greens juice, which is this right here. This is for all of you juicers out there that love the juicing diets and love juicing or adding juices to your diets. This is for you. I'm not a juicer. I am a shake girl. I am a meal replacement shake girl. That's why I can give you guys the tea on what's good and what's not, like keeping it 100. You also get the 310 lemonade, powder lemonade. These are weight loss supplements. It is a powder lemonade that alkalizes your water, and it suppresses appetite, keep you fuller longer, and you're supposed to eat less while drinking these. I did enjoy these with my water intake. I don't think I showed it, but I do take these. I actually ordered my own box of these. I do take these. I like these with my water because it does alkalize the water, and it's just a nice flavor. You guys know I drink tons of water. I drink about a gallon of water a day. There's some days I come a little bit under. Use my coupon code. It is down below in the description box for you guys to use. Okay, if you do not believe me and you do not take my word for it, for some reason my subscribers have been drinking 310 Nutrition way before I have and failed to put me on. Like I said, y'all don't believe me, believe the community, believe those that are not on the camera. My subscribers have been on 310 Nutrition before me, and I'm just like, yo, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much because they can literally back up what I'm saying. And I'm gonna place some comments on the screen so you guys can see. One of my subscribers actually just started the 310 Nutrition based on my last video that I did with them, and she started taking it and lost 27 pounds. I swear, you guys, first of all, y'all better sound off in the comment section for her. She lost 27 pounds doing the meal replacement. So if you don't believe me, believe the community, because it's almost like, told you, I don't gotta lie. What I gotta lie for? So if I didn't have the meal replacement in the morning, I was definitely going to have it for my lunch. For those of you that ask, do I intermittent fast? Yes, I do. I make it a point to get all my meals in my 8-hour window. Okay, so I do intermittent fast, just to let you guys know. So I'm just gonna show you some clips of some of the meals I would have this week, and just talk you through some of the things I ate, and we'll be back.
So as I mentioned, if I didn't meal replace throughout the week, I ate things like scrambled eggs with cream cheese and shallots with a side of beef, sausage, and avocado. I had that about twice this week. And again, I would only have that if I only meal replace in the afternoon. One of the meals I enjoyed this week was some mango chutney chicken and chicken sausage. So all I did was get this mango chutney marinade from Trader Joe's. I tossed in one chicken sausage and one chicken breast with no skin on it, and I sauteed it in olive oil and the mango and chutney sauce. I added a little bit of season like sea salt, black pepper, a little bit of chili powder, and smoked paprika, sweet paprika. I added some onions and peppers, and I sauteed it. And I had it with a side of broccoli and asparagus, which I'll show you how I make that. In a skillet, I'll just add some extra virgin olive oil spray, and I'll toss in some asparagus that I washed and cut on a vine. And I will add some vegan butter. I like vegan butter. This is a good taste. I like it. And I add a little bit of that to give it just a buttery taste. And then I toss in some broccoli. And to that, I normally always use fresh garlic, but I didn't have any on hand, so I use granulated organic garlic powder. And then once I have it sauteed down where it's not too soft and not too crunchy, I like an in-between, I just top it off with half a lime, and that's how I love my sides. It's so green and beautiful. It tastes so good. Try it. And this is how I had one of my dinners this week, with the side of avocado, as you can see. One of my quick meals that I like to do is chicken barbecue teriyaki from Trader Joe's. And I just follow the package instructions, but you know, I add my own pizzazz to it. I like to saute the chicken, let it crisp up. I add some seasonings to it like garlic pepper. I add one of my new favorite seasonings from Trader Joe's is the chili and lime seasoning. It's so good. It doesn't overpower the taste. I find if you don't like add a little bit of seasoning to this, it could taste a little bit bland. I dice up some veggies like sweet bell peppers and onions. I added to it. I add the teriyaki sauce. I saute it. I'm just showing you guys here. I got new equipment. Yay me. And look, I can control it from my phone. How cool is that? Anyway, bear with me as I learn my new equipment, okay? So like I was saying, I add some veggies to it, saute that, add the teriyaki sauce, and yeah, and I had it again with the asparagus and broccoli on the side and some avocado. It's basically how I eat. I'm low carb, so avocado, broccoli, asparagus, cabbage. Those are always my sides. It never changes. But that's basically it. It was the weekend, and this was my little bit of a cheat meal. I just sauteed some shrimp, made some shrimp fajita. I had a low carb tortilla wrap that I made. I just threw it on the griddle, and I sauteed some shrimp and peppers in a fajita seasoning mix, and that was one of my cheat meals for the week. And yeah, this is basically how I ate throughout the whole week. We'd be here all day if I show you every single meal. So this is how I ate. Again, when I'm not meal replacing.
Hey guys, what's up? Sorry I look crazy. I just came from the gym. It's beautiful outside. I brought my dog out to play. Rio, say what's up. Say what's up. Rio, say hi. Rio. He doesn't want to say what's up to you guys. Oh, let me show you my sweatshirt. Y'all see it. I know some of y'all gonna ask, why do I wear big old hoodies? Because y'all ask me in my workout videos why I wear big hoodies. I thermal wrap so I can sweat more. It's insulation for me. Anyway, like I said, I just left the gym. I look insanely crazy, so sorry. I wanted to I don't know, I felt compelled to come over here and talk to you guys. I had a phenomenal week this week. Today is Saturday, and I'm ending my week off with a bang. As far as just working out and things like that, the eating don't stop. But I just wanted to talk about the week I've had. It's been such a long time since I've been this inspired and just happy enough to just grind the way I want to. I'm back in a state of mind where I need to be, getting over like health issues and just things that I'm going through in general. My life has changed a lot drastically. I don't come on here and talk about my personal stuff too much. Things have changed in my life. Maybe, you know, with just having an ill mother, you know, my mom being sick, getting hit by a car, having surgery, not working, just, you know, things of that sort. Anyway, weight loss wise, this week was amazing. The focus was there, like, I mean, laser focus, A1, like straight tunnel. Focus was amazing. The eating was on point. I'm in a great headspace right now, and I'm just zoning in on that. And yo, I don't know, it's been so long since I felt this good and this motivated and inspired. I think it's because it's fall. I'm having my shake. This is my salted caramel pumpkin spice shake from 310 Nutrition. I'll show you guys how I make this. I'm obsessed. So good, so good. I'm so obsessed with it, like it's insane. But that's what I'm drinking right now. I'm refueling myself. I had an amazing workout. I hit the gym 4 times this week. Really happy about that. If I seem drained, I just finished freaking working out 2 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, I am, like, when I'm telling you I'm sitting here refueling, it's no joke. Like, right now I'm just refueling. So if I seem like very mellow, it was a real session. Yeah, but yeah, guys, I feel good. I feel good, and I want to share that with you guys. I want to share the mind space with you guys, because a lot of you guys are invested in my health and well-being and my journey, and I do appreciate it. You know, I do. I'm gonna do 2 more weeks of doing I want to try to keep this momentum going
like do weekly videos, but I don't know if it's gonna be weekly because I know I don't have the time to edit weekly, so I will do bi-weekly. That means every other week, this style video of me literally recording my entire week and capturing moments and just updating you guys on how I feel. So let's do this for another 3 weeks, and then we will do a live weigh-in together, because the last time I weighed in was 2 videos ago. If you did not see that, I'm gonna link it down below. I just recently did body updates, so I'll link that also below for you guys. I just recently did body shots, so in 3 weeks we'll do more body shots and compare it, and we'll do another live weigh-in. Yeah, because I've been so strict, I'm back going full-fledged strong. I feel so good. I want to document this and show you guys me jumping back on the right path mentally, emotionally, and what that does to my body physically. So yeah, we're gonna do this for another 3 weeks, but I feel good. I'm happy. I'm back on track. Yeah,
It felt really good to really connect with you guys and just let you guys, just as much as you guys see the downs and the ups and stuff like that, I'm finally on my way back to ups and feeling great and just motivated and just inspired. And I just really wanted to share that with you guys. It's been a very hard few months for me. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, with my mom being sick and having to take care of home, and with just my health scare and my issues, it's a lot and it's very draining, and plus just personal stuff I don't care to go into. You know, it's been very draining. I don't know, with the grace of God, I'm getting back to my happy place, and when I'm in my happy place, I focus on myself so much, you know. And it's like I've been giving other people so much of me, you know. I kind of lost the focus on myself, so here I am, just being back in the space of putting me first and being happy about it. Like, just being really happy about being selfish again. I'm not even gonna lie, because health is wealth, and just taking care of myself. So being back in this space is just a blessing to me, for real. It's been such a long time, and I was really getting sad about not being in this space, but here I am. And that's one thing about me. You guys always know I'm a fighter. I'm always gonna fight to get to where I want to be in life, like, period. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm always gonna fight for what I want, where I want to be, what I want to achieve. It does not matter. I never ever give up. I don't compromise. It's a positive about me, but it's also a negative about me, because I don't understand the word quit. I don't know what that means. I don't understand failure. It's none of my vocabulary. I don't know what that means. Like, nah, you only fail when you give up. But anyway, not next week, but the week after, I'll come in with another video just like this, and then the very next video we'll do a live weigh-in together, and we can get them shots going. I did just recently do body shots in my last video. I'll link it for you guys. As far as that, nothing really has changed, so that's why I want to give it another 2 weeks to see where we at. But for the most part, I just feel good, because this week was a really good week. As you guys can see, it was a really great week. I'm really content with how this week went, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So again, I'm gonna leave the info for 310 Nutrition down below in the description box, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Tell me how your week went. Tell me some of the things that you eat and inspire me. Give me some recipes, y'all. Give me some stuff, inspire me. Let's keep the inspiration going. Hopefully this video inspires some of you guys. But I had an amazing week, and I'm happy. I'm finally back in my happy place, and I want to keep the momentum going. And I want to thank you guys so much for always supporting me, encouraging me, and uplifting me. And I love you guys so freaking much. Y'all have no idea how much I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.